So now that we've completed all our examples, we are going to directly move on to the exercise of exercise 7. So we are going to start exercise 7 with the number 9 math, because all the previous math from 1 to 8 are actually MCQs. So starting from this basically, so it is written: find the 10th term, 15th term and rth term of the given sequences: 5, 5 by 3, 5 by 9, 5 by 27 and 5 by 81. So I guess this is a geometric series or geometric sequence because they have a common ratio. So let me see if I can get a common ratio from here. So then r is equal to 5 by 3 into 1 by 5. We get 1 by 3. Again, we actually test if it actually has a common ratio. So 5 by 9 into 3 by 5, because it is 5 by 3, and if I divide it, it becomes inverse, that is 3 by 5, and 5 get cancelled out, and 3 gets cancelled, and we are left out with 1 by 3. So we can see that there is a common ratio in between each consecutive terms, and that ratio is 1 by 3. Okay, so the general term of this series is I actually erased everything from the board. So r was equal to 1 by 3. So the general term of this series is basically ar 5 by 3. So ar n minus 1, I guess. So the first one is 5, and yes, it is n minus 1 because in the first term we have 5. That means 1 by 3 to the power of 0. But in the second term, we have 1 by 3 to the power of 1, which means 1 by 3 to the power of 2 minus 1. So the general term is basically ar n minus 1. So a is 5 because this is the first term. So a is 5 and r is 1 by 3. R is 1 by 3. Okay. And n can be any number. So it can be 10, 15 or r. So this is the general form of this sequence. So now we are going to find out the 10th term. So therefore, 10th term is equal to 5 into 1 by 3 into 10 minus 1. That means 5 into 1 by 3 to the power of 9. Okay. 5 into 1 by 3 to the power of 9. And we get 5 by 19683. So that's a very small number, I guess. 19683. So it is a small number. It's a very small number. It is 2.54 10 to the power minus 4. And the 15th term. So 15th term will be, therefore 15th term. And that will be 5 into 1 by 3 into 15 minus 1. So it is 5 into 1 by 3 to the power of 14. So 5 into, where is the bracket? 5 into 1 by 3 to the power of 14. And we got 5 by 4, 7, 8, 2, 6, 9. So 8 to 9, 6, 9. So it's a very, very small number, and 1.045 into 10 to the power minus 6. So it's a very small number. So now that we have found the general term, what will be the rth term of the sequence? So rth term will be, I can't pronounce rth-tome term, rth. Okay. So therefore, the rth term, not Prithvi, but rth-tome basically. So rth term is r minus 1. I guess we have made a mistake. Not a mistake. Basically, we have given the same name to the common ratio and to the number of terms, but I don't think it's that big of a deal. So we're gonna keep it in this way, or you can change it. You can give the common ratio the name C, and then it will not be that problematic. So AC R minus 1. Okay. So where C is the common ratio. C is the common ratio. So okay. So let me add another part. So what will be the sum up to infinity? What will be the sum up to infinity? Okay. So here R was equal to 1 by 3. That means this value 1 by 3 is actually within the range of -1 and 1. So if this is a series, let us assume that this is a series, not a sequence. Okay, this is a series, not a sequence. We can write the series has S up to infinity. Okay, so what will be the sum up to infinity? It will be A1 minus R. That means A is 5. That means the first term. Here the first term is 5 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. 5 divided by 2 by 3. And it becomes what? 5 by 3. That means it will become, I guess, 5 into 3 by 2. It's 15 by 2. I guess this is the actual value. I feel very confused there, but I guess it will be 15 by 2. So sum up to infinity is 15 by 2.